Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie, where I show you great ideas and great tools to grow your online business or to even start one. So today we're going to look at a platform called Designrr. This platform will allow you to create ebooks. So if you are a person who want to grow their list and give away a free ebook, you can do that with this platform and create one. And you can also take your blog posts and create an ebook very simple and very fast with this platform as well. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how this platform works a little bit, and we're going to actually look at some of the features of this platform. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you like content like this video, hit the subscribe button. So let's jump into Designrr and check out the platform. All right. Okay, so we are talking about Designrr, which the platform allows you to create ebooks, flip books, as well as transcribe books into PDF files as well. This is a really good tool to have, especially if you're trying to grow your list. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump in this platform and check out the features that this platform has. So let's just do that. Okay, so this is what the dashboard looks like. This has basically all your projects, and you can search for your projects. You can actually see when your projects are new and if you have some old ones, or you want to separate them from alphabetic order. Okay, and this is where you can create your new projects. You can create it here or you can create it here. There's two different ways. You also have draft mode if you have done drafts. So if you're working on a project has not been finished, that will be right here in draft mode. You also have media management. So if you have pictures and stuff you've uploaded, you can put that in here and get access to those those pictures you have uploaded inside this platform. Another thing that the platform has is help. So this is where I suggest that you would start out with. It's called knowledge base, and they also have a tutorial of the platform. So if you click on this, this is going to give you a video, and it's going to tell you everything you need to know to get started. And I suggest that you go here first when you're starting to use this platform, so you get an idea of what to expect in this platform. Okay. So another thing that it has in here as well is where you have help us design. So this is where if you see something in this platform that you need, that you don't see, you could reach out to these guys and send them an email, a message to say, hey, can you see if you can add this feature? They take it very serious when it comes to updating certain features in this platform, because we are the users and it's good to give some kind of feedback. So when they have something like this, I look at this that the platform's going to be around for a very long time. And you also have a chat box here at the bottom. If you need help or anything, you can open up a ticket and talk to them and chat with them about this information. Okay, so let's go in and create a project so I can show you some more features that this platform has. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the front end. Okay, so you can create a new project here or here. So we'll use this one, okay? Now, in this section here, you have the options, and it depends on what plans you have. As you can see, I have the standard plan. I have not upgraded to the Pro. But if you had the Pro version, you can do YouTube to PDF, you can do podcast to PDF, you can import from YouTube, you can do import from a podcast. So if you're a person who do podcast, you want it and you recorded it, you can actually download that and you can actually import it, okay? As well as you can import from videos, and you can import from Facebook groups as well as Facebook Live, okay? So that is if you had Pro and above, okay? Now for the standard package, you can import from a UR, which we're going to show you how to do that. You can import from a Word document, a Google document, a template, as well as you can create a PDF flipbook, which we'll show you how to do that in a second as well. And you can import from a PDF. So if you have another PDF and you have created a book from before and you want to update that book to a different cover, you can import from PDF. You can also create from scratch, and you can also create from Facebook. So if you have done something on Facebook where you're maybe, I don't know, have some kind of content on Facebook, you can actually import from Facebook as well. But like I said, I have just a standard version, and all these other ones that you can see, they're locked if you have Pro and above. But we're going to actually show you how to import from a UR from a blog post. So we're going to click on here, and we're going to paste the UR here, okay? Now, you can add tags if you want to, and the tags, you can use them to help you. Basically, if you add certain tags, that will help you to choose your template a little faster, okay? But we're not going to do that. We're not, like I said, we're not going to go into depth about this. We're just going to show you some basic features of this. So you click on fetch, and it's going to bring it in, and then it shows you what it looks like, and it shows you what the title is from your blog post, okay? And if it's wrong, you hit X and redo it again. So we have the correct one. So you hit next, and what it's doing is bringing that information into your project. Now, once that does, it goes to the next level, which you have access to all these templates. Now, in the standard package of this platform, you get about 100, roughly about 100 templates to use. And you can choose from all these templates to use, okay? So we're just gonna use a template, simple template, and we're gonna choose this one, okay? So, like I said, you get 100 templates to use. Now it's ready to go. It's basically getting the ebook ready, okay? Simple as that. Here we go. Okay, so it's finished loading. So this is what the template looks like of the basic cover. So you can go in here, click on this, and you can change all of this. Again, we're not going to do anything really. We're just showing you the basic template. But you can go in here once you click on something, and you can edit. And this is great because this is very simple and easy. It's broken down to section by section by section. So you don't have to worry about, oh my God, I got to change all this at one section. You can do section by section by section by section. Simple and easy. And as you can see, it really puts everything in the format. You can change every single thing. Now, the great thing about this is that you can do the section by section, but remember, this is only importing the information in. So you're going to have to go in here and go through all this and range it the way you want the book to look like. Okay, so don't think that it's going to set everything up for you. You're going to have to, it's going to import it. It's going to help you. But if you need certain pages, certain content on certain pages, you're going to have to play around with this and get it all together. And it also imports the pictures. So if you have pictures on a blog post, it's going to bring that in as well. Again, this is all basically drag and drop, and you can edit. And you know how I love my videos in my side. I love it to talk about drag and drop, and I love easy platforms because you have a lot of things to do besides wasting a lot of time on one thing. So, but this will help you do your ebooks very simple and easy, especially if you have a lot of blog posts and you want to share that in an ebook. This is a really good platform to use for that, okay? So again, you have to go through all this step by step and section by section to edit it to what you want it to look like, okay? So as simple as that. And you can even actually look at it once you've done everything. You can go in here and put this eyeglass and you can actually see what the book looks like. Simple as that. And then once you're done with all that, just hit the X button. Now, when you're ready to do what you've done to the book, you can just basically hit publish. Okay. Now, when you hit publish, it's going to give you different features on how you want to export it. You want to export it in a PDF. You want to export it into a MCB, which is a Kindle Fire, or you want to do EBUB. Now, the Kindle Fire, the MPD, is their format. So if you're using a Kindle, this is the format, especially if you are selling your ebook on Amazon or any place that sells Kindle ebooks. You would do that in the Kindle format. And you can also do it in another format, which is for Apple tablets and for Windows tablets. You can do EBUB in format, or you can do them one at a time. So if you're a person who is writing ebooks, this is the format you would do it in and just download. And you can also do HTML, but again, if you don't have Pro and above, it's locked, okay? And this is also where you can change the name. So say you want to change the name of the ebook, you can do that. And you can also do the author as well. You can change the author. Very simple and easy as that. Okay? Excuse me. And you can also customize here for ebook, and you can generate a flipbook ebook. Generate a flip book embed code. So I don't know if you ever seen where you went to a website and you click on it and it's like a flip. That's what you can do here. You can get an embed code, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna import it into a PDF. Now, when you do that, it's gonna give you two options, okay? It's going to give you an option to do a PDF or open a flip book, okay? So when you do that, we'll do the flip book because everybody knows what a PDF looks like. So you click on this, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna show you what it looks like as a flip book. So basically you go like that and it opens up. So again, you have to go in and make sure you want it to look like that. And it's really simple and easy, as you can see. See? Very good thing, because a lot of people who do ebooks to give away for subscribers and stuff, it depends on the person. They may want to, you can give them to both options. Do you want a flip book or do you want a PDF file? And you can give them the option of both. And that's one thing that's good about this platform. Okay. So let's jump back over here. So then if you want to do PDF, you can just download the PDF, and it's going to show you what the PDF looks like here as well. And you can do section by section by section. Okay. And then you just, like I said, you could do both. I like giving both out if it's going to be a PDF or if it's going to be a flip book. Give them the option, put both links in and stuff like that. Or put the links into where they can download both of them, okay? So once you get done with all that, you just hit close out, and then you can just hit save. And it's going to take you back. It's going to save your project, and then you can go back to the front end of the book by clicking here. And that's going to take you back into where all your projects are. And this is where it's going to show you where your new ebook is at. And you take a preview of it. You can edit it if you need to do some changes and stuff like that. So again, it's a basic, simple ebook platform. It's very simple and easy to use. So if you have, again, blog posts or any PDFs that you've done in the past, or anything, or any other ebooks that you want to, or not ebooks, but anything you want to convert to an ebook, simple and easy, you can just upload it into here. So let's talk about prices. Now I'm going to show you a price where they have is running a special, and again, this is for the standard price. So they're running a special for $27 one-time payment, and you get the standard price. And I'll show you what you get in the standard, okay? So this is what you get in the standard. The standard is normally $29.99 a month. But right now they're running a one-time special of $27, okay? So you get 100 templates, which I just showed you in the beginning to use from. You get 92 Google fonts, so you can change the fonts or anything. You can create unlimited ebooks. You can do unlimited use and copyright free images. So that means they have images. So you can use the stock images and you can upload your own stock images, okay? And then you can do page numbers and page numbers and tabs content generated. So you can put page numbers on it and you can create a content as well. You can also import from websites, which is your blogs, Microsoft Word, and your Google Docs, and you can also generate flip books generation. That's what you get for $27 instead of $29 for the standard. Now the Pro, you get a little bit more. You get 300 templates, you get 200 cover designs, as well as 92. You get the same thing with Google Fonts. You get to do a 3D cover image if you want to. You get to create unlimited ebooks. You get to do unlimited copyright images you get to use, as well as you get the pages, and you get to import from your MS Word or documents as well. But you can also export into Kindle, and you can export into iBook or EBP and clone projects. So you can basically take a project, clone it, and change the book if you want to see how well a book does. I know some people do that who are selling ebooks. They change the covers to test which one's selling better. And then you can do you can actually do a flip book generate from any PDF. So you want to take, if you have a PDF book you have done and you want to turn it into a flip book, you can do that. And you can import anything from Facebook. Again, that is $39.99 that's the Pro version, okay? And then for $49.99, you can get the premium, and you get 4 transcript hours transcribed. So this will transcribe up to 4 hours. So that means if you have a YouTube video or podcast, it will transcribe it into words, and then you can actually use that and make an ebook out of it, okay? So that is $200. That's $49.99 a month, and you get the other features as well, which we just talked about. The difference is you can create true project you can create 200 cover designs, okay? You get the same thing with that, and you get all the features, but you get all the features that you get in the Pro, okay? But the difference between that and this is that you can actually import from websites using HTML and embedding. So if you have, say for instance, your blog is in old HTML coding, you can bring that in and actually import it to a book library. And you can actually, for extra, for the $49.99 in this premium, you get to import from Facebook groups, okay? And then they have the last plan, which is the business plan. So if you're a person who has multiple people, multiple things you're doing for customers, and this would you get eight transcribed hours of transcribe. You get one user, and you get 200 projects. You get 200 covers designs. You get, of course, you get the Google fonts. You get the 3D covers. You get to create unlimited ebooks, unlimited uses of the copies, and free images. So if there's images you want to use, you can use that. And they they have that built inside, so you don't have to go outside and get images. But you, like I said, you can import your own images, and then you get paid. Of course, you got the number of pages and tab. You get the you get to create the index. That's what that is. I'm sorry. And then you get to import from Word and Google Docs as well, and you can import from Kindle. Now, you can import from, you get that it starts in the Pro. So exporting to Kindle format, and you can export into iBooks, or as well as EPD, which is a format in different tablets, okay? And again, you can clone your projects. You can import from Facebook pages. You can actually generate flip books from any PDF, and you can export to any HTML coding in Bark. So that means you can take you could take this and then import it into your websites, so that way if you want people to be able to read it only on a website, you can do that as well. And you can import, you can actually import from Facebook groups as well. Okay, so these is what the plans are. Again, they're $29.99, but again, they're running a special for $27 one-time payment, so you don't have to pay it every month. But the rest of them is $39.99. and $49.99 and $9.99 a month, and these are all monthly, and you get this. Now they also have an agency plan, so if you need more people to use this in the agency plan, you get 25 transcribes, which is hours a month. You get 5 users. Okay, so if you have multiple people in the office doing different projects, and you get everything I said before, but the difference between this is that you get to do onboarding, onboarding, and you get 24 hours tech. You get 24 hours tech support. And then again, this is the agency plan, premium plan, and this is $249. So if you need more users in your office for this platform to create different ebooks for customers, then you would go with this one, because you would need multiple. The other plans only have one user in every single plan. So if you need more than one user, then you would go with agency. But if you're a person who is only one person or 2 people, and you only maybe one person at a time are using it, then you can only use this. Again, I had the standard plan that was plain enough for me, because I take my blog post or anything I'm writing and I create an ebook and I upload it to my funnels and I give it away. So that's why I have the standard plan. But again, you have the option of getting more if you need more. Okay, so these are the prices. So if you want to jump on that $27 price one time only, there will be a link at the bottom of this video. And FYI, I am affiliated with this platform, so anything you buy, I will get a small commission that will help my channel grow. This is a really good, quick and easy software and platform to help you make ebooks. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this video, hit the subscribe button. This is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie. Thank you for watching my video on Designrr, and I will see you on the next video. You have a great day. Bye.